Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to continue with maths division. So I have already started working on my question, which is 132 divided by 11. So I am choosing to do the long division method. And remember what I said, when we approach the long division method, we must know the steps that we must take. We first divide, then we multiply, then we subtract, we bring down, and we repeat. Right? So here we go. 11 cannot get into 1. So I have to move on to the next number. When I move on to the next number, now this number becomes what? 13. So yes, 11 can get into 13. What do? I look for a number that when I multiply it is going to be nearest to 13 but not greater than 13. So when I use 1, I'll place it under the 3 because I'm using this. When I choose 1 times 11 is going to give me 11, which is 11 is near 13 but is not greater than 13. So I can use 1. Are we together? The next step is what? The next step is subtraction, because remember I did what? I did divide 11 into 13. It gets in ones. 1 times 11, it gives me what? 11. Then I say 13 minus 11, it will give me a 2. Then I bring down. I have a 2. Right? Same applies. We work with numbers that are nearest to 13 but not greater than 13. I don't know if you guys can understand. You will tell me your question under the comment section. 2. Right. 2 times 11 is going to give me 22. Right? Okay, learners, I made a mistake. So we were working with 13. I wanted a number that will be closer to 13 but not greater than 13. Right? And then we ended up here. So now we are looking for a number that is close to 22 but not greater than 22. So when I use a 2, I get 22. 22 is not greater than 22. So which is still giving us the right answer. Then we come and subtract 22 minus 22. It gives us a 0. We've used up all our numbers here. Then our answer is what? It's 12. Therefore, 132. Right. And the next question was 121 divided by 11. Same applies. I will use the long division for this method. Remember, you can choose whichever method you choose to approach the question with. What matters is you get the correct answer. I'll write down like this. Then I'll say, can 11 get into 1? No. But can 11 get into 2? Yes. 12, sorry. Can 11 get into 12? Because now I'm using this number, ne? It's a combination of those two. Yes, 11 can get into 2. How many times? Once. Right? 1 times 11 gives us 11. Then 12 minus 11, it gives us a 1. We bring down the 1. We have 11. Ne? Then, obviously, we come back and say, what is a number that when we which number can we use that when we multiply, it will give us a number closer to 11 but not greater than 11? So in this case, I will choose 1. Why? Because when I say 1 times 11, it gives me 11, which is not greater than 11, right? And then I say 11 minus 11, it will give me a 0. So I stop here because I have used up all my numbers, meaning 121 divided by 11 equals to 11. Remember what I said, ladies and gentlemen. 11 cannot get into 1. So I came next door. Then what does it become? It becomes a 12. Can 11 get into 12? Of course. How many times? Once. I wrote my number here. 1 times 11, it gives me 11. Remember the steps. After multiplication is what? Subtraction. 12 minus 11, it gave me a 1. Then what happens? You bring down. The 1 came down, and so on and so on. Right. What was the other question? Number 3. 125 divided by 5. So I'm choosing the strokes method. Let's call that, ne? So I'll write the numbers like this: 1, 2, 5. And then we say, remember I said with this method, the very first number you write the stroke. And I'm dividing it by what? By 5. There's no 5. I cannot divide 5 into 1. So what must I do? I bring it down. What does this number become? It becomes a 12. Let's write 12 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Divide into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. So I have 2. So what do? I come here and I write 2. But I have 2 left. What do I do with this 2? You bring it down. So instead of having 5, I'm going to have what? 25. Then we do how many strokes? 25 strokes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are dividing it by what? By 5. So let's group this into 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups of 5 do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 125 divided by 5 equals to 25. Right. Last but not least, 144 divided by 12. So with this one, I'm choosing to approach it with the long division. No? Remember, you choose whatever. Now I'm just playing around with the methods that I chose. That I taught you. I want you to see that you can always choose the one that suits you. You can always choose the one that you feel, okay, this one is going to be easier for me. 1, 4, 4. Can 12 get into 1? No. Then what do? We come next door. When we come next door, what we have now? We have 14. Ne? Can 12 get into 14? Of course. How many times? Once. Right? Then we come 1 times 12. What do we get? We get 12. Remember, you do what? You divide, you multiply, you subtract, then we subtract. Is our next step. 14 minus 12 is what? It's 2. Then after subtracting, we do what? We bring down. We bring down what? Our 4. After bringing down, we repeat. Right? So, we are left with 4. We want a number that when we multiply it by 12, it's going to give us an answer that is going to be nearest to 24, but not greater than 24. Are we clear? So the answer should be near 24, but not greater than 24. So in this case, I'm going to choose 2. So when I choose 2, I'll say 2 multiply by 12, it gives me 24. 24 is not greater than 24, which is the perfect answer, right? 24 minus 24, it gives us a 0. We've used up everything here. So meaning, ladies and gentlemen, 144 divided by 12 equals to what? Equals to 12. So what I do here, we use estimation. You estimate, ne? Which number can I multiply a certain number with that will give me a number closer to the number I'm working with. Like for instance, I was working with 24. Ne? When I worked with 14, I used 1 because 12 was closer to 14, but not greater than 14. Ne? In this case of 24, I cannot use 1 because it's going to give me a 12, and 12 is way down, you know. I'm looking for a more closer answer, but not over the answer I'm dealing with, the number I'm dealing with, I mean. Are we clear? For more questions, just send me a message. Send me a comment and I'll attend to you. For now, we'll see each other next time. Please leave a thumbs up if you are happy. Thank you.